Hello, welcome to Flixwater YouTube channel. Today, I want to share some valuable insights on how to remove vinyl chloride from water naturally. Vinyl chloride, a colorless gas with a sweet odor, is commonly found in groundwater due to improper disposal of chemical waste. Exposure to vinyl chloride can pose health risks, so it's essential to take measures to reduce our exposure and ensure the safety of our water. Understanding vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is a manufactured substance used in the production of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, plastic products. The most common way people are exposed to vinyl chloride is through breathing contaminated air or drinking contaminated water. High levels of vinyl chloride can lead to dizziness, liver damage, immune disorders, and even an increased risk of cancer. Reducing exposure. To reduce your exposure to vinyl chloride, it's important to avoid drinking or cooking with water contaminated with over 2 parts per billion, ppb, of vinyl chloride. Installing an in-home activated carbon filter can effectively remove most of the vinyl chloride from water. Additionally, using bottled water and limiting exposure to cigarette and cigar smoke can further reduce your exposure to vinyl chloride. Testing for contamination. If you suspect your water may be contaminated with vinyl chloride, you can have it tested. Public water systems regularly test for vinyl chloride, while private well owners can contact certified laboratories listed in their local phone book. Laboratory analysis provides the most accurate results, although field test kits and electronic sensors can also be used for preliminary screening. Methods for vinyl chloride removal. Now, let's explore the various methods for removing vinyl chloride from water naturally. Activated carbon filters. Activated carbon filters are a popular and cost-effective option. These filters contain carbon granules with tiny pores that trap pollutants like vinyl chloride. By passing water through the filter, the carbon attracts and removes the chloride, ensuring clean water. Activated carbon filters are easy to use and maintain, making them a practical choice. Reverse osmosis, RO. Reverse osmosis is another effective method for removing vinyl chloride. By forcing water through a semi-permeable membrane, RO separates water molecules from contaminants. This process removes over 95% of chlorides, alkalinity, sulfates, and color. While purchasing a ready-to-use RO system is recommended, you can also create a DIY system for your specific needs. Distillation. Although costly and energy-intensive, distillation is highly effective in removing various contaminants, including vinyl chloride. By boiling the water and condensing the vapor, distillation separates the water from the pollutants. While some vinyl chloride may dissolve back into the water during the process, using an activated carbon filter afterward can address this issue. Boiling. While boiling water can eliminate or inactivate most pathogens, it is not effective in removing vinyl chloride completely. Boiling is best suited for disinfection purposes rather than removing volatile organic compounds like vinyl chloride. Combining boiling with an activated carbon filter can enhance the overall effectiveness of both methods. By taking proactive steps to remove vinyl chloride from our water, we can safeguard our health and well-being. Installing activated carbon filters, utilizing reverse osmosis systems, or considering distillation can significantly reduce vinyl chloride levels. Remember to regularly test your water, maintain your filtration systems, and stay informed about the latest methods for ensuring clean and safe water for you and your loved ones. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this discussion has provided you with valuable insights into naturally removing vinyl chloride from water. Stay safe and take care. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.